aba na and then pese ka me fire ko all angles what I say na me be me ka pese me fire na me dia frafra na me dia boom what I say pese me fire go fu bi pa but anyway ba me gina ba bi me gina no oni me bi Ghana yale and footballers ni bebre yale and yale confidence courage yale in terms of football the Inter-America say penalty yale ke see pa I will Ghana ha. And my dream one mentia say bibisa mo say ade na Ghana players edu penalty a na ye ho akire sa na yakobo ato atwene edu penalty bia na abato atwene and unya you see wo hwe your population ekuta na e Ghana ha na say Blaster win 3 players no when you expect in penalty takes when you expect in penalty takes no e me sape me can expect I say to the word expect I say expect in penalty taking when you 3 pe. But that thing in Antum for Antum for you see 1992 Ghana versus Abidjan and answer Ivory Coast. That time no pona be pele mu na o 20 baffle 20 ye bo mu na great stars in na o no as Kasawi mu na I no but with all the squad no kwa no yet mission Nigeria could do grand finale yet mission Ivory Coast e wo fana e boya coach e could do penalty trophy ni mommongum and also Tony Bafo could boy esu ni sisi e ball touch nine and place him na perfect penalty bia. Yes, now grow ya see a chance benya trophy. Nyame ya adom 2015 and yes bodu fana against the same Abidjan for now. Womo Emma ye jere in 1992 no essential 2015 ya in John Dramani's era. John Mahama era. Ye hwe say ka crew an omonje anu nie e na wo hwe o screen so no. And that trophy no na ye trophy ye ni abriye pass ye beji sa trophy no. Because no be empire and say when kwade man nko but they do penalty no be am Ghana ni bia de say guniti or yale because someone say any possible see betumi win trophy because GD ni one more player no be je ni mu a na ni mu nyinya it expert in penalty takes Ghana ha afo awesen there obi or academy player inti ye they are not channel oh ye they atete no and ye dey into obo penalty na I don't know odi say o hye because quality no e wo ho no when unya bibi say Jordan Ayew ono no ye tete no what I say into the penalty no ye sua enu ti no mka abafo ne pa che say obi enu wa penalty no talent penalty obi enu wa the talent ebo penalty but ye sua we learn to know penalty we learn to know how to take penalties into ye sua into one tra abofra na oboa say obenyini awie ansa na wo ka so meye expert in penalty taking oboa. It also what channel Usha Baba Raman or certificate Nkwalabrim Ebo Academy from right from north into penalty no boa at least what it says on your dear crown or the sack academy you know ebeba emo say that be oni baby or born ready ebeto but they can na featurechi for nkwa antum for nkwa bona fa na fa. And there was no quality. It's Ghana Hanamo, you were great players, you produce great players, but yes, to start great players, no penalty group, no mujane. You produce great players, but penalty draw, that's how fully made Ghana because of Musuro. Obi any confidence. And so be about penalty, I won't say, oh no, Antom, I shall not say, Antom penalties in Guan. Because penalty bia goalkeeper sees the direction, no, tells you any panel born Antom. Ye ni sa we no confidence na the ball penalty no nti de bia na trophy afa yensam na nu ya nso ani Abidjan ana 23 Nations Cup Egypt ye yawo enani nanse ya na last week ya ni Abidjan for eni ekohia hwe nim se be kofa na ni atumi qualify to the Olympics game ye ni Abidjan for ekodu fana na nu ya penalty so ya bobo ato ato over the bar papa body na actually Ivory Coast for qualify do fana mama Olympics game afa ho akọ akonya sa ba biem esan say Olympics game no teams miensa and qualify Olympics game into Egypt already were qualified that Ivory Coast so ye fimi anko fana to qualify that afi third place by Ghana for winning third place no mfa ko Olympics game a ye bobo na ma afi yetumi ko do penalty game against South Africa na mfia de ya penalty ni ye mo na fie nsha ya bobo na vie e ma afi ye nya obi obebo penalty no na etimi qualify Olympics game Ghana ni begina penalty na so ni sisi no ahome saa ama obi aso da bi akwede se ni waye de ni usuro ampani ampa abo penalty ma abo ato atwene ama South Africa for etimi qualify to the Olympics game. Olympics game na aboye for many years since 2004 Beijing ye to me Olympics game. Olympics game are the most, the largest sporting event across the whole wide world. Ah, obi a person Kobe play bi oba Messi Olympics game be osu. Brazil for me country, Brazil for Messi Olympics game osu. Brazil for players ni na say obo World Cup na obo other tournaments obo then their crafts na one call Olympics game ma wonyama bia ka kire because the biggest sporting event and it's na journalists for omo across ewiase na no aye omo pese obi a pese okọ Olympics game ni bi no because all the sporting events across the globe no 48 sporting activities no emiketo high jump football bibia wonim ye taekwondo bibia wonim ye bia eho na wo justify na obi ehun ansa na o manage eho cause eho na wiase nyina ekohia ne ehun say sports we so won faso Olympics game no etimi introduce new events sports ama ehun say na we dey efiri fa na efiri Olympics game. It's near showing said the Ghana. I feel quite the since 2004. I feel quite the unqualified. And also I to me qualify. Penalty 2 times in the same tournament to me and for one qualified. Not to say be say the boy no, yes, we have to learn. And one chance here if it's in collaboration who to me be expect that because Ivory Coast for no academy players in kwa one more academy no musua de no odidi kakra oda kakra osole a penalty kwa academy na kwhwe osole a kwa e faso e place ball kwa e faso place ball e angles and e kire wo kwa ya obi da po mu a e faso o mutumi di nipa 3 e da po no nipa 3 na e o mo gina po no ni a cho se memma ball no mba obi a mani ngure atenam ni anhwa ade enu ne ye training to such a player go be no to be show entity ye chassie it will ohun penalty ne bo wia now if you the confidence and now say what sacking the mentality no e dey account enti coach say o player ne penalty bo a no what still fitting collaborate mu a dia o be catch na say massa o ko no goalkeeper no yo bia o ko no hye no ne hu say onum bo now is what sacking the mentality no afi wo kwa ko hye but what the no on kire no kwa fa so two penalty Ghana coaches see and one so much church cons or park and so now must say oh yan chamber one chamber the Ghana coach and coach one chamber 11 asa Ghana coach from 11 one mo park and so 11 cho ho one chamber na mo enu anu mo sa into bia yan training ye players no into on ball na no stage bia na say a tournament the biggest platform tournament na say penalty ba pe no mo ye show no mo yesu enuti ena ya ni yogwa World Cup penalty nya ba pe no say asemasi penalty dey na say dey over the bar for bedoso etide bia penalty no ye nya o check 23 players na wonya ye expert e bia me nsa bi ana say enan bi o mo ni penalty to mo makani na bo nkele po a obi atumi tu penalty etide bia be free mu eti penalty no ye ntwa ma ni pa ni nyina asa ho ye tetero abofo enu si na Germany for no so boa penalty no wo be chiro wo wo sporting director wono the duty they say o ye ka sports friends director sports director no o duty they say then ni na obe design philosophy bi say right from under 17 no chire players no say dey ball penalties say o de bia na wo park no so udu coach and na dey na chire omo o me chire omo say dey two penalties okay omo tu na me hwe omo tu a no man tu ni ya abesa mo ba to so me hu bo ansa na akọ na omo nyi omo the same kofo na nyi e dey akọ na 20 na omo so a chire omo a no mo hu bo onru senior team no so hwe anunti e na abukozu fo ne South Africa fo ne abofo ni na no omo kọ manim si de bia and it's now me can say ana friends ana 20 I ko ball penalty ube ana 20 ko ball penalty na me can me say eye antom penalties nkwa ne boy no and you referee say wake up na ye GN and 24 wake up 2009 ye GN you referee say nkofo bi say penalty no ansa na ye san che ye ho abobio you referee na enu ne tom because penalty no bobo na mo boto twene you referee say dey mu na bobo penalty eto twene you referee ye nya expert in penalty taking at all go and watch 2009 penalty na you take here no against Brazil Anton penalties in Kwan bobo. The lucky I say now our keeper on the day no na keeper no good in saving into saving penalties be at the man mind. But here penalty takers the brace no the brace so the courage and the confidence no anyone more they take penalty. And I think say I was say it's from the right from the fence scratch and Sunday it's now very confidence no their penalty. And yes idea a bad deep. We should be very courageous in terms of say you take penalties and only bet me a boy. And yes, I did any now when broken out to say, I know what Cassano did tell us. Yen shall see free academy. Yen shall see free academy. No, near burden confidence. No, not to me, yes, I courage. No more for taking penalties. The beer and the bet me about to be marked and in way. When you know, we I also bet you the penalty. Oh, what? Yes, started from baby, son from the yellow, or more body from scratch. No more dear, a body, no dear, do salad. Into the abbey, would you dandling a beer, a beer, half for number pack or number of tournament. Namuya, must say penalty draw, Namaka, some cover penalty, and that's another MY because some more room committee, or 2 years or the stress in your penalties. 3 years of the stress and your penalties. No, what the 1 month person, open so uniform. Also, only confidence and more penalties. Where then up, start off. Now, when I start off. Forget to say penalty, so a tournament. Forget to say tournament, first penalty, so a football. It's a penalty in football. It is a one stressing here, you take penalty. Yeah, then the other kind of say a curse Ghana. That be almost a curse Ghana, it's never true. Yen yin shuabo because penalty yin shua Ronaldo mu betua Ronaldo beka choice yin shuabo nti dan be nyina osole a ono aka se ne fie o shua se ne take penalties on the ade shepherd onu ayo awo in private ya in the poor wesi wo ho na ode ade sisim ana wo kwan afa so place ball ono aka se yin private training it's yesua it's your coaches ne kire mrantie no kwan afa so ebo penalties ne confidence no embra anya saa de omunni a na fe onye wie no afu na ba chen dia we oyokwa so that say so one start Ghana I start bibia from scratch ya dey abin wa hanko into enwaye check Abidjan kwen faso yo system Abidjan system utumi compare that yet to mean compare your to Abidjan system. I don't see another day in a penalty failures in terms of penalties. Because Abidjan for no academics from scratch and it brought this confidence in the show. It's made a mechanical say, moon starts in a moon coaches, moon tram and how we take penalties. It's in a bay and going to work some class, no. Now, burden confidence so that almost international team Biana without any national assignment Biana or test our confidence at their boss penalty. Young train Emma Diano and Biansa. Now, the number 2 year and son, like I said, ye with the head and you go to penalties. Messiah started from scratch. Yeah, Ghana, BIA started from scratch. It's the BIA. BIA started from scratch. It's the BIA. And I think the coach is from Ghana. One and set aside the tour. Now, we are training grounds with brave. Over 20 ground, near says a course and no more session or no more a run, you take a more run, you take a Williams and much more. Where you're coaching? And what's the Anama Ghana coaches? No, or Munyadian. Ghana coaches be brain yard, and probably my war Ghana. It may make catch him say coaches no in practice a dear no sham ranting na entwem way na mama ka say Ghana curse enti na ye to me win penalty dabi ye nim ade no and na osi esua players ni nim ade no e so mu sua na mu sua so mu sua firi o mu sua firi coaches no ho e so coaches ni kire wo mu na o mu to me etumi eba ehun se ni aye two penalties. It has a better of penalty in a bar, a ban 10 over about 10. I don't think I don't know you, I can say, or no penalty in a bar 10 over about 10 because one, baby, I want to sit in free and from academy and Marcel Academy. They be a new Jana Woody until we keep an old and we are special. Yes, started from baby. Yes, I've been with an answer. From scratch. It's Ghana. Coaches, no, more players and how are you 2 penalties because I say, you actually here for Ivory Coast for a year from because of penalties. South Africa for so a year from because of penalties. Olympics game in qualify 2015. Now for your G Trophy free and some because of penalties. 1992 near G Trophy free and some because of penalties. You can't say a case. That be a case. Your players need confidence, no. I did 2 penalties, no, against Uruguay. World Cup, the same thing in South Africa in 2010, the same thing. Penalty by no better responsibility because you can say when you see a place, no one there with 2 penalties. Now, so the same place no more part, so you can say, woman ball. Now, I don't see the 2 penalties there, no more, or more, show, no more to it was a show how you did a first conference be shown, no more courage, no to me 2 penalties because penalties do what, and now be very courageous. Obi so we shan de na onim se ne yebo obi wo onim ba bi player na onim kwan fa so bo penalty and one say boom etom na atom and so de anya sabi ani it coaches no omo kire de omo kire how we 2 free kicks how we 2 penalties and no ye better I say mo de ye 11 kwa mo ncha mo mo and no nye coaching it yes unim coach a yeso enu hwe unim coach a yeso enu hwe into coaches no mon kire mante no kwan first 2 penalties na almost solve but mon no from scratch from under 12 under 15 na mo kire wo mo under 16 na mo kire wo mo a friend say only medu 17 no you're very good in terms of the penalty taking because under 15 something that share anima do so hwe sane na Ghana from scratch. In 5 years coming, who was a man to we near home put a confidence, or would you ultimately take penalties? It's way a year case, my can be that say a case and a dash so 18 to win penalty, and yet it's never a case, and your case, name them, Sham Yesha, near transfer, your coaches no, and then why the American. Your coaches no, or one and why, and lead to me a winning penalties, than being a near much into a moon, not just it's more Bianca say a case, and your case. Shan your place in him taking penalties. Simple. Right from Malaysia, Munina, ball no more in terms of set penalty the ball leader. No man sure Musu. I did it. Coaches no, I shall say free under 15. Now from brother Emedu under 15 was strike we check here. Undu under 20 no 5 years with the name. That time no ba mafide. We could take courage no. Into we 2 penalty Usrobia. And do some ball blaster now for a master. And not now because for the money about penalty and Muslim. And not now even European kind of phone call the moment for easy. Well, no need that into our bow so. Yen first I will shake and shake your place them. Ye show how we 2 penalties and why. Not trophy, they be a trophy by boys idea. A young boy. They be a body do penalty pet, no insanity. Your body do quarterfinals pet near insanity. Quarter finals na penalty bet ni say into that bank it just started from scratch not place no omo get that momentum in terms of taking penalties na fe etumi moy eno na ade a ebetumi aboa yes ade a bin wa ha players na omo ben bien we na mo gada omo dan dey na so mo brasta omo bobo na do penalty we forgetting say mo ball tournament dia so penalty to be piem it to be piem a then why it's made a missing coaches no Ghana coaches no omunya 11 no teacher moncha mo na mo kire tactics what I say mo kan technical issues tactics nya le call training ground na mo dey one way training kwa it's mo dey mo hwe ball abofo training mo dey kire mante abu then dey na press to kwa a almost say dey coach share different na say coaches say wa boy coaches na mo pa kire no Nessa boy coaches, and as a month, man, penalties, and free kicks, they not football. One chair, one, Yes, I did be a brain by Mamma coaches because it is said, Mamma any aquala, when training aqualani and papa aquala, when training ya, when you not that they take you must have been 4 to 50 into players and also parents no want to mean taken if you're coaches. Into your coaches, no, I will hand in yard. Now, Matia, will be saying, Sadia, and the Empire legend for my retired football. Now, we training players, no, how we take a penalty, wash away, Yasa, legend for Nagasom, penalty on the share. On Bobo, penalty to be shared. And the Empire on the time, on penalty born by told to be bullshit. And walk a trilby. On the time. Never bought told to me, Otumpo Eshe, and what you began Adam got number the pet, and a bit of agility, or say 1 penalty pet, the whole football career, 1 penalty pet, even goalkeeper not chain the ball no crown, we in Botomisca, Edman, and say what you actually the penalty. I know the friend said footballer. And ya Bonkele first a penalty is not Bob one. It's going to much players, no, much on from scratch from under 15. Now we turn on 220 no say 2 penalties. On blast down or your borrow or penalty. And the bit now boy and they blame me now when coaches so. And your case be a young players na kasa. Young your coaches no and entry players no. Adie and want to be enya them there they take penalties. Internet sana me come be so anu e ba ni ti no me twetwe so kra no me je mu emfama